3 different ones.
Wow, baby.
At least where I found these, I think they put them all together.
Yeah. Do you like those berries? Is that good, Shane? Yummy. Is that good?
Eat some more of the chocolate with it.
Got.
Chocolate, yep.
Wait. Go.
What are you eating? Wearing your My First Christmas bib from last year.
On Valentine's.
Yep. It's red.
That's right.
What? Is that good?
Okay.
Wish I would have had the camera ready to get his first reaction.